Today is Sunday, April 28th. This is the 1976 one-year specific Cadillac Eldorado brake assist Hydrobooster. This is from my friend Raphael in Texas. The unit has been completely disassembled. This is a level 10 full restoration. It includes a replacement brand new spool valve in the internals. All of the seals have been replaced. It also includes the pan below. Since Raphael doesn't have an original one to send in, I've included the pan which catches any potential leaks down the road in the future. And this will be shipping out to Raphael as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. In the preceding video, I've done a full configuration layout showing how the hydraulic circuit facilitates the power to the brake assist Hydro Boost, originating from the power steering pump, going through the Hydro Boost, and then continuing thereafter the hydraulic fluid circuit going down to the steering gearbox, circulating, cooling, and then being redelivered back to the pump, and then the whole cycle starts again. So a lot of people don't realize that the Hydro Boost has its own fluid hydraulic circuit, separate and not connected in any way whatsoever to the master cylinder, which mounts here at the end, which is braking fluid inside the master cylinder. Okay, nothing to do with the hydraulic fluid inside the Hydro Booster. So today is Sunday, April 28th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original parts from 1959 through 1976. I'm best known for my Cadillac steering wheel restorations, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as these fully restored Hydro Boosters. Today is Sunday, April 28th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.